Think golden honey, glowing amber, and a whole lot of crystal drama. Moldy Fun have ever so kindly sponsored today's video and sent me their gorgeous interlinked hearts mold, and I'm so excited to work on this. Now I'm going to start by mixing off my Addiction Officials resin, who are my long-term channel sponsors. I love them. And before we get into the juicy parts, let me tell you a bit more about this mold and what I plan to do. I've seen this mold used with dried flowers before, and honestly, I think it looks absolutely stunning. But I went a different route. I decided I want to do something crystally, gemmy, and I specifically wanted to do something amber. Let's see if we can make that happen. So I'm starting off with these acrylic stones, rocks, gems, whatever you want to call them. I've got a few of these in different sizes, and I'm going to link everything in the description for you. So I start by placing some of these in some areas of the mold, and I'm working with the largest rocks to the smaller sizes and kind of just building those crystal-like pockets that hopefully will sort of catch and fracture some of that light after the resin cures. That's the effect I'm going for. Next, I'm drizzling a bit of alcohol ink directly onto the crystals, and I've gone for two shades, like a warm orangey tone and a rich brown. The idea is to let them sort of blend naturally, because let's be real, like crystals aren't perfect. They've got layers, color shifts, and that raw earthy vibe, which is exactly what I'm aiming for here. I'm topping this off with a super thin layer of clear resin, nothing too deep. I just want this layer to be enough to sort of hold the crystals in place and not have them float up top. After which, I decided to add a tiny amount of gold alcohol ink. Metallics tend to take over a piece, so I am using this gold very sparingly. I just want little subtle sparkly accents. I don't want this piece to be gold, so little bit goes a long way when it comes to metallics. A bit more clear to sort of blend it all in and just give it that glowy, ambery overall look. So now I actually try to do something I haven't done before, which oftentimes is mildly dangerous. Danger is my middle name. I'm using some gold mica powder with a silicone pen, and I'm just making some scribbly lines across the surface of the resin, kind of like gold doodles, if you will. Honestly, I have no idea if this is a good idea or not, but it felt right in the moment, and sometimes you just gotta trust the chaos. Am I right? Once all of that was in place, I'm gonna give this a quick spritz of isopropyl alcohol, pop any bubbles, and leave this to semi-cure until we move on to the next layer. I had a bit of leftover resin, which of course I did, so that's all gonna go into this tray right here. And while I do that, I want to take a moment and thank Resonating Art. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subbing. You are a superstar. And now for the next and final layer, I'm using some clear resin, same alcohol inks, a tiny amount of gold, and just layering some of that on. We're gonna leave this entire thing to cure, and I feel it's time to give Sky some attention. He wants to remind you to like, comment, and sub, because he's officially the boss around here. So it's actually night, but I'm excited to unmold this because this is now cured, so let's get this out. I am a little bit worried that my resin could have cured a little quickly because it's very hot at the moment, so we might have some bubbles, but let's see how we get on. Okay, it's out. Right, let's take a look. Okay, wow. Wow, it actually looks really, really stunning. Like, wow. You can see those crystals. I mean, the colors are gorgeous. They're kind of like flowy, and there's a bit of glitter there, as in not the glitter, but I think the gold. I absolutely love it as it is, honestly. And that was so simple to do, but I think I want to elevate this. I think I want to do a little bit of a crystal moment on top. But honestly, you could just stop right here. It looks amazing. This mold is so cool. Right, I think I'm going to come back to this in the morning, and we're going to do some more crystally moments on this. Before I go on to the final crystals on the front, I decided to add a little something. I'm taking my markers, specifically my chrome and copper marker, and making some squiggly lines on the back of the hearts. This is not the front, this is the back, and I'm just sort of following the natural flow of the mold, making these veins, which I'm hoping should be visible from the front, and I feel like it would be a nice little detail. Just as I was hoping, you can actually see those lines through the resin, and I feel like it adds a lot of depth and dimension. It's just a little extra touch that I like, which would make it a little extra special. And to keep those lines exactly how they are, I'm sealing them in with some UV resin that I'm just brushing with a little brush and curing. Not only would this lock the lines in place, it would also give it a nice glossy finish. Now for the final touch, those crystals that I was talking about. Again, some UV resin and some of those inks mixed up with some acrylic rocks, and just placing them in some areas, specifically this top corner here and some in the inner heart. Once I'm happy with the placement, I decided to add a few gold ones, a few of those rocks mixed with some gold alcohol ink, and finally I think we're done. I think I need to step away from this. And here is the final piece. These hearts are giving a full amber fantasy. I mean, from the glowing crystal pockets to those warm golden tones, I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. The depth from these layered inks, those metallic lines peeking through, and those cluster of crystals catching the light. I mean, it's giving luxury, it's giving handcrafted magic. And who knew a simple mold could look this extra? And there you have it. 2 hearts infused in golden geode goodness. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. If you've enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks you will like these 2, so go check them out.